One of the things that impressed me so much about this light is how versatile it is. You can put it in your garage, you can put it in a bedroom, you can use it for commercial setting because it looks so good, and multiple different ways to hang it. The fact that it is super bright, this is kind of where I like it. So whenever I'm doing some woodwork and stuff here in my garage, I like it to be a little bit low so I can have really, really great lighting. It's LEDs. You don't have to worry about those stinking light bulbs anymore. You can see just how bright it is. You plug this one in, so you don't have to wire anything. There's two different ways to hang it. What did I do with it? Anyways, there's there's a hook. I literally had it right here. Oh, it's still in here. So there's a hook that you can hang on there, plus a string that can be on there too, like a wired string. Maybe string's not the right word. So being able to have a couple of different ways to hang it up to kind of suit your needs, that's a great option. So here is the wired string that you can use to hang it up. So if you're wanting it to suspend from the ceiling, you can do that. You can either screw this in, have it hanging like that, or vice versa, whichever way. Plus, there's this really thick hook as well. Again, use this for commercial. Think about it in your business, in the grocery store. This is a really, really great option for you. This thing is thick, really versatile to be able to hang it up anywhere. Really grateful I was able to partner with this company.